CATIA 3D experience. Let's see, if you also transition from CATIA V5 to 3D experience, maybe you want to know where you can find the swap visible space. So within the new version, it will be located over here. It will be a small icon, and if you're going to click on that, we're going to see all the objects that have been hidden. And in this case, within part design, just like within CATIA V5, all the features, all the sketches that were used in order to define those parts will be automatically hidden. For example, this original sketch with a radius of 55, in this case, it will be located over here. So within the swap visible space, we can still select various elements, and we're going to see those exactly where they are within the product tree. If you have a large product tree and you want to expand that, you can select one of those. This will be sketch 3, for example, but you can also go like this. So center tree on pre-selected objects, and it will automatically show. For example, this one, if I'm gonna do the same, this will be underneath pad 2 and will be the following sketch. Now, by default, the swap visible space will be with black and the main viewport is with white. So usually all the sketches will be traced like this with black, so they are not that easy to be seen. Let's say that I want this plane, which is within body 2, to change the color. So I will go to properties and I can change the color over here. Let's say maybe with yellow. I can enable that. You're going to have that change. And if I will select it and I will hide it, as soon as it has been hidden, if I'm going to swap the visible space, it will also appear over here. And we're going to see that with yellow and a black dark background like this, we're going to have a little bit better, let's say, visual appearance over here. So it's a little bit easier to read those. Now, for example, if I have this body within the same part and I have over here a cut, if I'm going to right click and go to properties, I can change over here the color. Let's say that I'm going to make this yellow, but we can also change the transparency. So this is set to 255. That means it will be not visible at all. So if I'm going to go over here and change that transparency to 0, you're going to see that it will now be visible. I'm going to have over here the following glitch. Well, it's not a glitch, it's the same within all CAD solutions or 3D modeling software. The fact that we have two surfaces that are perfectly matched and coincident over here, the GPU doesn't know which part to render. So our part, which has this gray texture and color, or the one that we made yellow over here. And if I will hide this, again, it will go to that visible space and we can see it over here. We can adjust the transparency, so if you're gonna go something to the middle, it will be semi-transparent like this. And if you are gonna expand and move forward with the transparency, it will be, let's say, not visible over here as well, even though it has been sent to the visible space. So if I'm gonna unhide that over here as well, it will not be visible. We're still gonna have that overlapping color with the normal gray of the part and the other over here. So this was an overview regarding the swap of visible space. This is a really useful tool on complex parts, and if you want to trace all the sketches and everything, you can easily do that over here. So I hope you enjoy this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.